Lake Havasu right now to meet up with Bob and Kat. I met them here in Parker, and we hung out for a few days together. They're up there, and then after that, I think I'm going to be heading down to Dome Rock in Quartzsite. They're having a Thanksgiving bash down there, so I figure I'll go down there and spend a few days. Just some of the scenery heading towards Lake Havasu. This is a river community of some kind. I'm not sure what it is. And we're almost past. Okay, a little community. Looks like it's called Holiday Harbor. Parker Dam over here somewhere. I can't drive across it. No RVs. But I can see the distribution towers. Yeah, I can see the dams over there. Again, I can't drive across it. Well, I'm in, just outside of Lake Havasu. It's been cloudy, cold, rainy, and if you listen, you can hear the rain on the roof, even though the sun is out. So tomorrow's supposed to be a better day. It's been actually pretty chilly down here in the high 50s at night, and it's supposed to start warming up again, I'm thinking. I'm working on a sign that'll sit outside the bus. Hopefully that'll get me a little more work. I've done a few things for ACM Arts. They're the welders at the Vanville, and I'm doing something for Bear's Den. He's got a big bus doing that. I've already done Bob and Kat with a little graphic on it, stick figures. Ah, here we go again. It's amazing, it's raining and the sun is right there, shining like crazy. Anyway, so I've done quite a few. I did one for Papa Bear, which was Kelly on the back of his, and the side of his van. I talked with camper van Kevin. He was thinking about redoing his stripes on his Class A. Spent a couple nights there, and the stripes are so bad I can't justify putting vinyl over top of the old stripes. It just won't last. And so I told him it won't last. He was a little disappointed, but I'd rather do that than do it and have it fail. So we'll see. I was hanging with Backroads Nomad for a while. He's down there also, still in Parker. I'm getting ready to head to Dome Rock, which is down in Quartzsite. It's about 60 miles from here. I guess it's south of here. Anyway, so I'm sitting here waiting on the rain, working on some signs. I had to cover my generator with a doghouse tunnel. I had some Reflectix, so I put it over the generator, which is keeping the rain off it, so I can keep charging, because right now I'm about 12.7 on my batteries, which is 85%. I'd like to get up to 100%. That way I'm sure that the refrigerator will last all night long. And that's about it. HD's just hanging out. He's a little bored because he hasn't been able to get out much. Again, I'm in a new location just outside of Lake Havasu. It's a big open area, gravel pit, so I'm not getting any flooding or anything, so that's a plus. Alright, I'll bring you up to date either later today or tomorrow. I think there's supposed to be a fire, community fire. We'll see if it ever stops raining. We'll talk at you later. Alright, we're coming into Lake Havasu City. Going to Walmart. So I'll take you right into the center, since I've never been here before. This is also home of the London Bridge. You never can tell. You never know what you're going to see out on these roads. So we're still a little ways. I'll bring you back when we get closer. Up over this hill should be Lake Havasu City. Alright, let's see what we see. Still don't see London Bridge. Must have it well hidden. Oh well, I have to see if I can see it when I get back. Alright, we're in Lake Havasu City. Lots of stores. There's a Discount Tire. Yay. Stopped there on the way back, got my tires checked for pressure. Ahead, so I'm going to shut you off here.
Shot dead, ended up in some prison. They met Johnny Cash. They met Johnny Cash. Whoa. Clint shot him dead.
Yes, your credibility's sunk to zero.